Wait, did this water just disappear?
Alert! Science mystery detected!
Come along, let's explore. Robo, where did the water go?
Great question. It didn't disappear. It changed into a gas.
A gas? Like cooking gas in Nigerian kitchens?
Exactly. Everything around us is made of something called matter.
Wow! Can you look around you? Point to something made of matter.
If it takes up space and has weight, it's matter.
Matter has three main states: solid, liquid, gas. Let's explore them one by one. This book is solid. It keeps its shape.
Solids have strong bonds. They don't flow.
Kids, say it with us. Solid! Whoa! It changed shape.
Liquids take the shape of their container.
If you've ever spilled water before, raise your hand. It's floating away.
Gases spread out and fill the air.
Take a deep breath in. You just breathed in a gas called oxygen. Let's watch matter change. Ice is solid. When it gets warm, it melts into liquid water. And if we heat water carefully with adult supervision, it turns into steam, changes in the state of matter. When ice cream melts, that's solid to liquid. When water boils for rice, liquid to gas. Clouds are tiny water droplets in the sky. Solid keeps its shape so tight. Liquid flows left and right. Gas spreads out of sight. Science learning feels so right. Matter is amazing. Matter is amazing.
So what are the three states of matter?
Shout them out.
Solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas.
You are becoming science superstars.
Subscribe for more learning adventures.
Come along, let's explore.